Hello and welcome to this course on Android mobile development. Today, practically everyone has a smartphone, with Android and iOS serving as the two dominant operating systems. In fact, it's understood that smartphones running the Android operating system held over 70% of the market share in 2021, and this was expected to increase over the forthcoming years. Additionally, everybody who has used one of these smartphones has utilized a mobile application. But how many of us genuinely understand what an application is, how it functions, or how important application development is to our daily lives? A mobile application can be simply defined as installable software that utilizes your phone's hardware to function on a smartphone device. Of course, that explanation gives a simplified explanation of how a mobile application operates. Let's quickly go over a few common use cases for mobile applications to give you an understanding of how they would work in the real world. For example, mobile banking uses applications to transfer, apply for credit, or complete transactions. Social media companies use applications to allow users to access pages, photos, profiles, and much more. Applications for online retail stores let you browse, order, and schedule goods deliveries while also saving your personal information for later purchases. These services are provided by mobile apps that are created specifically for your smartphone's operating system, using the hardware and OS that are at its disposal. Mobile applications can be developed to perform a variety of functions. Hence, Android developers should be familiar with programming languages like Java and Kotlin, have an understanding of the development tool Android App Studio, and an understanding of its application components like activities and services. But if you don't fully comprehend any of these concepts, don't worry. You're only getting a quick introduction to Android application development right now. You'll learn more about these ideas throughout the course, as well as completing other assignments that will aid you in becoming a mobile app developer. You'll learn about what a mobile app is and gain an understanding of the difference between mobile apps and mobile websites. Learn how a mobile OS works and be able to explain the operations of a mobile OS. Additionally, you'll learn about Java and Kotlin and how software developers utilize them to create a variety of apps for a variety of devices, including Android, web, embedded systems, server apps, and more. You'll explore the Android Studio interface and learn how to navigate its folder structure. You'll learn about the many parts of the Android Studio and how to use them to build your apps. You'll also get to build your very own application by creating a fully functional video player app, acquiring talents that are in demand worldwide. But don't worry, you are not expected to be an Android mobile developer just yet. There are many videos in this course that will gradually guide you towards that goal. Watch, pause, rewind, and re-watch the videos until you are confident in your skills. Then, consolidate your knowledge by consulting the course readings and put your skills into practice during the course exercises. Along the way, you'll encounter several knowledge quizzes where you can self-check your progress. And you're not alone in considering a career as an Android mobile app developer, which is why you'll also work with course discussion prompts that enable you to connect with your classmates. It's a great way to share knowledge, discuss difficulties, and make new friends. To be successful in this course, it is helpful to commit to a regular approach to learning. You need to keep committed to your learning and, if possible, create a schedule with dates and times that you can devote to your study. It's an online, self-paced course that allows you to study when and where you choose, but regular study patterns do help many students to learn better. In summary, this course provides you with a complete introduction to Android mobile application development and forms part of a program of courses that will lead you towards a career in mobile application development.